Power BI folks, want to take your career to the next level? These are the 7 roles you can apply for and why they are so exciting for you. The first role you can apply for is the Business Intelligence Developer. In this role, you'll build dashboards that show real-time data. You'll help companies track their performance and make smarter decisions. It's like being a data hero. And the next role you can apply for is a data engineer role. In this role, you'll make sure the data flows smoothly from one place to another and also make sure that the data is clean. In this role, you'll make sure that the analysts and developers will be able to use the data easily. Without the role of a data engineer, the data would be so messy and nobody can use the data properly. And the next role is a data analyst. If you like finding patterns in the data, then this role might be for you. In this role, you'll try to figure out the trends and share your insights, and this helps the business grow. Think of this role like solving a big puzzle that involves a lot of data. And the next role is a dashboard developer. If you like creating visuals, then this role might be apt for you. In this role, you'll design dashboards that not only look great, but also give a lot of insight on the data, on the trends, instantly on the first look itself. This is just like creating an art that tells a story. And the next role is Analytics Consultant. In this role, you will help the business figure out how to use the data better. You will advise them which tools to use, including Power BI, and help them set up everything they need. So this role is all about finding right, smart solutions. And the next role is Cloud Data Specialist. The name itself says it's all about cloud. With more businesses getting into the cloud, this role is currently so booming. In this role, you will connect Power BI with cloud services like Azure or AWS and make sure everything works smoothly on the cloud. And yes, in this role, you're working with the latest tech. And the last role is Freelance Consultant. If you want more freedom in your life, try being a freelance consultant. In this role, you can work from anywhere, set your own schedules, and help different companies with their data needs. It's the perfect role for those who want flexibility. I understand this role is very difficult to find, but it's always worth a try. Power BI is a powerful skill that opens a lot of career options. Which one do you find more interesting? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.